Founders are on the cusp of a most anticipated event. This event will change our lives forever. We are on the dawn of an awakening that will change everything people have known about business. Founders, who have taken that bold step where no one else has had the faith and courage to take. We are united. We are all one mind and one heart, and no one or nothing can separate us from OnPASSIVE. OnPASSIVE is a life changer. Finally, people will have something for which everyone can totally change their lives. The world will benefit from those changes. OnPASSIVE is doing heartfelt things before it opens to the world. Founders are united in the purpose of bringing a better life to all who are stuck in lives they desperately want to change. OnPASSIVE is on a mission to change the lives of people no matter where they live. Those who use the internet and those who don't will benefit. OnPASSIVE will completely change the financial woes of those millions of poor people who go to bed hungry each night. They will be able to support their families. When passive comes into their lives, they will no longer run out of money before they run out of the month. They will have self-respect. They will undergo a change that will be stunning. That is the effect OnPASSIVE will have on all those lives touched by OnPASSIVE. OnPASSIVE is leading the way to prosperity for all of us who want to make a difference in the lives of millions of people. OnPASSIVE is opening the vault, pouring out blessings for all who want more than what they have now. We can reach out and touch someone we love, and OnPASSIVE will back us up. Thanks to Mr. Mufareh and his staff, we will be able to do that. We love you, sir, for all you do for us founders. That debt cannot be repaid. OnPASSIVE was created by Mr. Mufareh, who has an incomparable vision, which guided him in creating OnPASSIVE. That vision has come to the fore with the arrival of OnPASSIVE. All the founders in OnPASSIVE believe in OnPASSIVE's ability to change lives. OnPASSIVE has not opened to the world, and already it is causing trepidation for its competitors and uncontrolled joy for the founders in OnPASSIVE who know what is about to happen. OnPASSIVE is already an incomparable success. It is too late for the competition to prevent the arrival of OnPASSIVE. No human force can stop OnPASSIVE. OnPASSIVE is a life changer. OnPASSIVE is a done deal. We are on the road to overwhelming abundance. We are so thankful to be a part of Mr. Mufareh's dream and vision. Let us keep our focus and keep believing. OnPASSIVE is real, and the whole world will know about OnPASSIVE. Founders are working with OnPASSIVE to make the world a better place in which to live. As we look behind us, we see the whole business and internet world following OnPASSIVE. They will never surpass us or overtake us. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, for creating this ultimate blueprint for success. John White, USA. A Bill Must Production.